Imagine our planet as a giant, delicate engine. And right now, it's overheating. The dials are spinning wildly. But what if we could rewind the clock? Or even rewrite the thermostat? For decades, scientists have wrestled with understanding our climate. They built complex simulations, crunching numbers to predict the future. These models, while impressive, relied on approximations, on educated guesses about how the atmosphere, oceans, and ice all dance together. They gave us a picture, but perhaps not always the sharpest focus. But a new intelligence is emerging in this field. Artificial intelligence, specifically machine learning, is revolutionizing how we model our climate. It can sift through petabytes of data, finding patterns that no human ever could. It's like giving our climate models a superpower, a crystal ball that can predict not just general trends, but incredibly specific outcomes. Think of it like this. Imagine predicting the weather in your backyard. You need to know the wind, the humidity, the temperature, the pressure. Now imagine predicting the weather for the entire planet, for decades to come. AI-driven models act like an incredibly sophisticated plumbing system. Instead of just water, they manage countless interconnected variables, atmospheric particles, ocean currents, solar radiation. They learn the cause and effect of each tiny valve, each subtle pipe, with unprecedented speed and accuracy. And who's funding this powerful new predictive engine? Beyond governments and academic institutions, there's a growing interest from private sector entities. Companies developing renewable energy, those invested in carbon capture, even those in sectors historically reliant on fossil fuels, are keenly watching these AI-powered forecasts. They see potential to mitigate future risks, yes, but also opportunities for innovation and significant economic advantage in a rapidly changing world. You might think AI climate models are solely about understanding the problem, but that's where everyone is wrong. These models are now inextricably linked to geoengineering, the deliberate, large-scale manipulation of Earth's climate system. When AI predicts a region will face catastrophic drought, or that sea levels will rise by a terrifying amount, the pressure to do something, anything, intensifies. Geoengineering, once a fringe idea, is entering the policy arena, fueled by these precise AI predictions. But what if these AI predictions, while accurate, lead us down a path of unintended consequences? Imagine injecting particles into the stratosphere to reflect sunlight. The models can predict cooling, but what about drastic shifts in rainfall affecting millions? What about unexpected impacts on agriculture, on biodiversity, on the very air we breathe? The scale of these potential interventions means the ripple effect could be global and potentially irreversible. AI-driven climate models are not just tools for prediction anymore. They are powerful catalysts, shaping the debate on whether humanity should actively engineer its own planet. They offer precision, but they also amplify the immense responsibility that comes with playing God. As these models become more sophisticated, so too must our understanding. Because the future they predict, and the choices we make based on those predictions, will define life on Earth for generations to come.